Hi guys, charity shop gold or garbage, Keynsham today. Spotted this. This is odd. I seem to have a run on finding quadcopters in charity shops. I haven't seen any for, well, years, literally. And then in the last month, I think I've picked up 4. One of them, this one, which is also a Hubsan, was free because I picked up at the recycling centre. So you'll have to have a look in the video description for the playlist associated with that one. This one, the one I picked up today, £6.99. Had a look in the box in the shop. There's no charger. Well, I'll show you. So we've got somebody's instructions for their helicopter. So they're not a lot good. Handy to have a set of instructions, but not relevant to the Hubsan. But we have got the Hubsan instruction manual. Flying tips, kindly check pages 12 to 14. Okay, well, we might think about that. Calibration. Okay. I did notice in the shop there's also these bits of paper in there, which I won't show you the full detail. In fact, I'll just open them off screen. Because they are the original owner's documents. He's obviously left them in there by mistake. He bought some batteries, AAA size, pack of 12 for £5.40. Oh, well, I suppose they're Duracells, so yeah. Okay. And he also bought the Hubsan X4 protection ring, black, which is what we're looking at on there. And that cost him £5.49. So if nothing else, knowing that I've already got another Hubsan, I could put that protection ring on the other one if this one doesn't work and I want a bit of protection. The 4 propellers that are on there look okay. In the shop, I think it was that one was crushed down a little bit, and I just gently levered it back up. It's actually scraping on the protector, and the battery was left plugged in. And before I started this video, I did plug that into my charger and tried charging it, and nothing happened. I might try again, but the bottom line is that one didn't seem to work, and that looks like it's sort of leaked, doesn't it? But I happen to have the battery from the other one, so we can stick that in there and see if it powers up. Assuming it's the, yeah, it is the same size. Is that all the way in? That looks like it's a tiny bit bigger. Oh well, never mind. Okay, we've got flashing LEDs now, which we didn't have. Let's try and squeeze that in there somehow. Oh, That doesn't look very promising, does it? Propeller just fell off. Go on, in you go, Simon. You're supposed to stay in there so you don't fly around. Oh. Right, so propeller fell off. I think that's just we haven't got the protection thing pushed on far enough. Yeah, it's sliding down a bit further. Right, so I did notice this did actually turn on in the shop. Battery out of the way. Okay, so we've got green light. Can't remember the sequence. Whoa! Oh, another one of those people who's played around with the controls. He's got the throttle on the right. What is wrong with these people? Okay, well, we're going to have to go through the reprogramming mode and swap that over. Okay. The other one had got the forwards and backwards reversed. Right, so have we got a quick swap it mode 1, mode 2? Or I could just try the other controller, couldn't I? Rather than spending a lot of time plodding through this and trying to work out how to swap mode 1, mode 2. I might have to do a bit more reading. What I will do is we'll just see if we can bind it to the other controller, which is set up in mode 2. Yeah. I'm just looking, that propeller is rising up and down. Well, we'll give it a little fly, or at least try and fly it indoors. It has actually stopped raining now. It was raining when we started this. We'll have a look. Right, hat camera mode. So this is the new, to me, Hubsan with my existing controller, because the controller that's come with that one appears to be mode 1 and I can't handle mode 1, so this one's mode 2. It's bound okay. No idea if it'll fly, so we're about to find out. Right, let's see what happens. Need a bit of trimming on there, I think, but we are at least flying. Yeah, okay, well it flies. So it looks like it would need some trimming. I'm not sure if I want to do trimming on this controller, because the other Hubsan works fine with it. I think I'm going to read the instructions a bit more, see if there is a way of swapping mode 1 to mode 2 rather than mess about too much with this controller. So yeah, we flew out and we flew back and we landed.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.